I'm shooting another video with the DJI Osmo Action 4, and I happened to accidentally hit the factory reset and confirmed it because it's so near the format button. And that's what I liked about the GoPro, where you swipe down, swipe to the left or the right, as you could say, and hit manage, and format was right there. On the DJI, you have to swipe down, hit the X, scroll until you get to the format and the card number, and then I like the swiping to confirm. But reset is right next to it. And of course, if you go a little too far and you think it's the format, what do? You hit it. Well, I hear at Insta360 Ace Pro that if you make a mistake in a video and you don't like it, you just hold the shutter button down, hold it down, a long press, and it wipes out the video that you made. Now, I don't know if it wipes all the videos, but it wipes the video that you made. Well, with the DJI Osmo Action 4, not a big deal. You hit the center mid left, you swipe down just a little bit till the video stops, you swipe to the left, which is the right, and you hit the trash can. Not that hard to do, but by the time you hit that long press, you'll be doing this and deleting. Well, the same thing with the GoPro, which is you're not just pressing a button, you're swiping up, and with your smallest finger you're trying your best on the lower left to get that trash can, and you're constantly tapping it until it hits and deletes. I know we like our DJI in one way, and we like GoPro in another, and people like their Insta in a different way. I like how this shot right here, the blue sky, the sun comes up that way and shines this way. So that should look light, and that should look a lot lighter. I'm not sure what it looks like with the GoPro. It may not look like this. It may not be as pronounced. And the Insta, I don't know. Now, holidays are coming, holidays are going, and the next one is not that far behind, and that's where all the returns go. They get repackaged up, cleaned up, put in new sealed wrap boxes, and put back on the market again. I don't know if you hear that plane going by over there, because sometimes the sound of the DJI, if you keep quiet, you hear more of the background than the foreground, and the same goes with any camera because they're very sensitive picking up. So what I'm getting at is that the GoPro was released at $299.99 to all, and they're making a killing on $349.99, and it may go back up to $399.99. Well, the DJI Osmo Action is $399.99. They may have given a 25% sale. So what is that? $3.90 off? Not $39, not $64 off on the camera. Not at all, man. 10% is like nothing at all on a camera. Tax. And the Insta360 One Ace Pro, $449.99. Did it ever go on sale? I don't know. Maybe Insta gave up to a $140, $170 off, depending on which cameras and things they were selling. And it was up to. And they're probably giving you, 10, 20, 30% off the camera. I like this shot, like I said, how the sky's lit up because the light's right there, as you can see. And what happens is the light over here, where's my finger? Over here, right here. And it may cause flaring into the camera. And the problem is, GoPro will be a little bit better than DJI. GoPro uses a different lens, and it's an M12. And DJI, nobody knows what they use. They think it's an M12. It's an M11.5, which you can't find on the market anywhere but DJI. Don't ask me about Insta, because people say they can't remove the lens cover, and it's probably the same M12 lens that everybody uses, the same Sony sensor everybody uses, and they just make a camera work for them. I'm happy that I have my DJI Osmo Action 4 with me, that I'm using it. And I got my other cameras that just now sit and collect dust. I really have no use for them, and I have a lot of cameras. Well, yeah, it is what it is, man. And somewhere, some way, somehow, down the line, in the next coming up months, we're going to see a new camera. We don't know what it's going to be. And is it going to be better than any of the cameras that we got now? Maybe it'd be the best camera of 2024 when it comes out. And I'm not talking about GoPro coming out in September, or DJI Action 4, which will be an Osmo Action 5 coming out in October, or an Insta360 Ace Basic. I'm just talking about in general. Well, I said my piece. I said a lot, did a lot, and I talked a lot, and I shared my thoughts about cameras again and again. I hope you enjoyed the talk, and I catch on many other videos to come.